What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making Southern style homemade peach cobbler 10-minute version. Listen, if you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit that bell for notifications and select all so you know every time we upload. All right? So if you're ready to make a hit for the family, look, we all got our spoons in there enjoying this delicious peach cobbler with the vanilla ice cream, man. It's nothing like it. So we're gonna start off with peaches and light syrup. All right, we got 2 jars of those. Looks like a lot of juice, but it's gonna run it down. All right. Then we're gonna add a half a cup of brown sugar. This adds a nice caramelized flavor to the dish. All right, as it bakes down. We're gonna add 1/4 cup of sugar, white regular granulated. Then we got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna grab our cinnamon. Add about 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. All right. Grab our nutmeg, and we're gonna freshly grate our nutmeg. Man, if y'all could smell my kitchen right now. Oh man. All right. Now let's go ahead and mix that up. And we're gonna go ahead and add that to our pot. Look at this, man. That looks so good. I want all that juice in there. Let's get everything in a pot. All right. Let's give it a taste. Man. Let's go ahead and boil that. Bring it to a nice boil. Let it simmer for a little bit to go ahead and let the juices just render down. So we got our Pillsbury pie crust. We're gonna go ahead and roll that out. All right, and when you roll this out, just take your time. Take your time. If you find that some of the dough sticks or holes create, you can just actually push that back together. All right, kind of like Play-Doh. Okay. So gonna be the top half of our pie. Like I said, look, just take your time, take your time. If you get any holes, just punch them back together. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and cut this. Almost 1 inch strips. We're not gonna use all of it. And the cuts don't have to be perfect. You can always go back and fix it, okay? So that they're uniform. Like this one right here. Okay, you don't have to be a perfectionist. This is a quick little dessert. We was craving a little peach cobbler, so I said, hey, what the heck, we're going to make it. Let's go ahead and add our peaches straight into the pie crust. No need to pre-bake the crust here. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and create our little design on the top. And if you cut it too short, the beauty is you can take a piece, pinch it together, and keep it moving. So I love about this. It don't have to be perfect, and trust me. Hit it with a little egg wash. Get that nice brown on there. Put it in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Let it cook down, and this is the end result. Listen, I'm gonna throw some butter on top of this thing, man. We're gonna throw this butter in there. We're gonna get us a nice piece. And as you can see, it's not soggy or anything like that. The pie crust is nice and crispy. All right. And we're gonna go ahead and pair that with some Tillman's homemade vanilla ice cream. Give me 2 scoops of that. Man, we ready to eat. Tell your family, grab a spoon and dig in. Now, if you guys like what you see, family, listen, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell for notifications. Drop me a like, let me know what you think. All right, and there you have it, quick and easy. Homemade, Southern style peach cobbler with vanilla ice cream. All right, hope y'all enjoy. Peace.